All right, are you tired of input lag and you just don't want a wireless controller anymore? You want something that's wired. Well, this is going to give you 10 feet of wired. Now, why would you want wired when you can have wireless? If you're a heavy first-person shooter consoler and you don't like the lag, this is going to give you real-time, non-lagging experience from a wireless connection issues. If you're a hardcore gamer, wired mouse is going to be better than wireless. Same thing with controller. Wired controller is going to be better than wireless. It's just that latency between the controller and input. And if you're a professional, if you take gaming seriously, then you're going to want to have a wired controller for sure. Again, it gives you 10 feet. Plenty of length. It also gives you these back buttons right here. Again, professional game, everything you get in a high-end gaming console, you can lock or unlock right here. You also have a couple other buttons you can map on the other side of this. The only thing that I would say is if you're not worried about latency, it is wired. So just know that this is a wired controller, not wireless. So while it doesn't sacrifice the latency issues, it may sacrifice on the convenience factor of just lounging playing. So this might be when you really gotta hone in and you're gonna be playing those FPS games where every single millisecond counts. You're gonna want something like this for sure.